video is not for everybody, especially if you're not into wellness. Wellness is one of the biggest industries globally, over 7 trillion US dollars in size. Let's quickly discuss what wellness means. Wellness is redefining how you live life to the fullest. आप कैसे mentally, physically, emotionally, self and family के साथ में रह सकते हो, where every part of the community is in harmony with you. And all of this is very important for personal growth and professional growth. Wellness में there is space for everyone, seniors, kids, adults, and even pets. Wellness में आपको you're not adding years to your life, you're adding happiness to your life. What if I tell you there is a unique place in Gurgaon where wellness is the core? Everything revolves around wellness and especially 110 features जो कि क्यूरेट किए गए हैं, जिसका कोर है लाइफ का फुलेस्ट लिविंग, जो कि मेंटली, इमोशनली, फिजिकली सारी जनरेशन्स को बॉन्ड करता है. दिस इज अ प्लेस इन सेक्टर 80 गुड़गांव. त्रेहान आयरिस की जो लेगेसी है वो 70 इयर्स की है और 200 से ज्यादा प्रोजेक्ट्स आयरिस ने डिलीवर करे हैं, which includes some of the landmark projects like the Supreme Court of India, Tihar Jail, Safdarjung Airport, All India Radio Bhavan, and many more. So it has got a legacy of over 15 million square feet, which has been delivered over 70 years. So as a developer, they have got the trust, they have got the experience, and they have all that it takes to create a legacy project. This is not your average project in Gurgaon. यहाँ पर हैं इतनी सारी amenities for your wellness and well-being कि अगर मैं लिस्ट बनाऊं तो वो एक लंबी लिस्ट हो जाएगी. So for your convenience, this is the entire list of well-being that have been curated exclusively for you. यहाँ पर हैं 3.5 और 4.5 BHKs के, जैसे मैंने बोला, अपार्टमेंट्स. Starting size is roughly around 2200 square feet and going about 3500 square feet for the top end 4 BHKs. और साथ में आपको मिलती हैं utilities in both the sizes. Now a very important thing कि यहाँ पर है 60% ओपन एरिया. तो ये था प्रोजेक्ट का प्रीव्यू एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर यू. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जैसे कि यहाँ की प्राइसिंग, यहाँ की अमेनिटीज, यहाँ की अप्रिसिएशन, जिसके लिए आपको यहाँ पर आना पड़ेगा at the gallery. We can schedule for you an exclusive site visit on invite only at the gallery. For that, get in touch with the numbers flashing on the screen, contact us immediately, or write Tirehan Iris Omara and we'll contact you right away.